live near a very wooded area with a second story house with a lot of gutters. That's really been a pain over the course of our home ownership to clean. So when we met with LeafFilter, found that a good solution for me not having to climb up a ladder multiple times a year. Had it installed last year. The guy that came to install it was great. Took extra time to do a great job, cleaned all of our gutters out, multiple bags worth of stuff. We've had it in since the summer, so the fall I've never had to go up and clean the gutters out. It's been excellent. Done a great job. Everything's been working as I've expected, and we hope to get the rest of our house done in the next year or two. Just from the sales process all the way through installation through the final product, it's been an excellent investment in our household. The transferable piece of it is huge for us. I have no regrets, no second thoughts about it. I would recommend it to anybody.